Yusek, kagabi po nailabas yung request ng defense team, the former President Rodrigo Duterte, asking the ICC to grant him interim release on the grounds of he is not a flight risk, won't commit further crimes, and that a member state is ready to receive him kung pagbibigyan po ng ICC. Ano pong posisyon ng Malacanang dito sa request na interim release? Lalo na syempre, yung mga victims po ng drug war ay ang gusto nila pa rin ay accountability sa part ng former president.
Well, unang-una, nabasa natin na parang i-claim po nila or ilalagay po nila sa kanilang petition na that Mr. Duterte will not imperil proceedings if released. Mr. Duterte will not continue to commit crimes. So in one way or another, the council admitted that the former president, had committed such crimes. Just a question. Because they will include that in their motion or petition that Mr. Duterte will not continue to commit crimes. So may pag-amin ba rito? And anyway, if that's their strategy, sana lang po ay mapaniwala nila yung mga ICC judges at huwag nilang masabi later na ang kanilang mga pinangako, dahil may mga pangako sila sa kanilang sa petisyon, ay masabing nagbibiro lang sila. Katulad na nangyari sa pangako sa jet ski. Well, anyway, kanila pong strategy yan at hayaan na lang po natin ang ICC ang mag-determine kung sila ba paniniwalaan at kung mag-grant ang kanilang request for interim release.
At kung ano man po maging desisyon ng ICC, the Palace or Malacanang will respect kung pagbibigyan man po itong interim release.
Opo, nasa ICC na po kasi yan. Nasa kamay na po ng ICC kung ano po ang kanilang magiging decision or resolution on that matter.